Ladies and gentlemen, love is one of the most powerful forces on earth. It can inspire us, transform us, and bring us unparalleled joy. But let's face it, keeping love alive and thriving is not always easy. Relationships are like gardens. They require attention, care, and nurturing to grow. Today, I'm here to share with you the tools and mindset that will not only help you sustain your love, but make it last a lifetime. First, understand this: the quality of your relationship determines the quality of your life here. If your relationship is flourishing, you'll find yourself more energized, focused, and fulfilled. But if it's suffering, it can drain your spirit. So let's commit to making love not just survive, but thrive. Love thrives in the fertile ground of presence, yet in our fast-paced, distraction-filled world, being fully present with your partner has become a rarity. Presence is about more than simply being in the same room or engaging in casual conversation. It's about immersing yourself in the moment and giving your partner your undivided attention. When you are fully present, you communicate not only with your words, but with your energy, your body language, and your focus. It's about making your partner feel seen, heard, and valued. It forms the cornerstone of a lasting, meaningful relationship. Presence begins with eliminating distractions. In today's digital age, it's all too easy to divide your attention between your partner and a buzzing phone, a relentless stream of emails, or endless social media feeds. These distractions rob your relationship of the attention it deserves. When you're with your partner, consciously set aside these distractions. Put down your phone, turn off the television, and prioritize the moment you're with. This simple act sends a powerful message: your partner matters more than anything else at that moment. Being present also means actively listening. Most people listen to respond, not to understand. Active listening requires you to fully engage with what your partner is saying without formulating your response or letting your mind wander. Make eye contact, nod in acknowledgement, and use affirming gestures that show you're fully engaged. When your partner speaks, resist the urge to interrupt or interject your own thoughts. Instead, ask thoughtful questions to show that you care about their perspective and emotions. This practice deepens your connection and fosters a sense of emotional safety, making your partner feel truly understood. Presence isn't limited to words, it also involves nonverbal cues. The way you look at your partner, the way you touch them, and the way you position your body all communicate your level of engagement. When you lean in, hold their hand, or simply sit beside them without distraction, you're creating an environment of intimacy and connection. These small, seemingly insignificant gestures reinforce the bond you share and demonstrate your commitment to the relationship. In moments of conflict, presence becomes even more critical. It's easy to shut down, become defensive, or let emotions take over during disagreements. However, being present allows you to approach these moments with calmness and clarity. Instead of reacting impulsively, take a deep breath, focus on your partner's words, and strive to understand their feelings and concerns. This level of emotional maturity can turn conflicts into opportunities for growth and mutual understanding. Finally, presence is about cherishing the moments you have together. Life is fleeting, and the time you share with your partner is precious. Whether it's enjoying a quiet dinner, taking a walk, or simply sitting in silence, being fully present in these moments creates memories that strengthen your bond. Presence transforms ordinary experiences into extraordinary ones, infusing your relationship with depth and meaning. When you cultivate the habit of presence, you create a sanctuary of love and connection that anchors your relationship in the here and now. Presence is about creating a space where your partner feels like the center of your world, even if only for a short while. It requires intention and effort, but the rewards are immense. When you're present, show your partner they matter, and this simple yet profound act can strengthen the foundation of your relationship. In practice, presence is about being mentally, emotionally available. Often people are physically in the same space, but mentally elsewhere, lost in thoughts about work, plans for the future, or worries about the past. When you're not fully engaged, your partner can sense it, and over time, this lack of attention can erode the connection between you. Presence demands that you intentionally put aside those distractions and focus solely on your partner. This doesn't mean ignoring your own needs or responsibilities, but rather setting aside the dedicated time where your partner knows they have your full attention. True presence involves empathy and emotional attunement. It's about tuning into your partner's emotions and responding to them with care and understanding. When your partner shares something, be it a joy, a struggle, or a mundane detail from their day, your presence shows through in how you react. By validating their feelings and showing genuine interest, you create an environment where they feel safe to open up. Emotional intimacy grows when your partner knows that their experiences and emotions are important to you. Presence also fosters deeper physical intimacy. Physical closeness doesn't always mean grand gestures. It can be as simple as a touch on the shoulder, a warm hug, or holding hands while talking. These small acts convey care and attention, reinforcing your bond. When combined with eye contact and attentive listening, they create a powerful experience of connection. Building presence in a relationship often starts with small, deliberate actions. Schedule uninterrupted time for your partner, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. During this time, focus solely on them. Ask questions about their day, dreams, or concerns, and listen without judgment or interruption. Make eye contact, put your phone on silent, and let them feel that nothing else matters in those moments. One of the greatest gifts of presence is that it helps you rediscover the beauty in your partner and your relationship. When you are truly present, you notice the little things that often go unnoticed in the rush of daily life, the sparkle in their eyes, the way they laugh, or the passion with which they talk about their interests. These details remind you why you fell in love and help keep the spark alive. In essence, presence transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's not just about showing up physically, it's about showing up with your whole self. It's a practice that deepens connection, nurtures intimacy, and creates a lasting sense of trust and appreciation. With presence as a cornerstone of your relationship, your love can weather any storm and grow stronger over time. Presence in a relationship is a powerful yet often underestimated element. It's about being fully engaged and giving your partner the gift of your undivided attention. This concept goes beyond simply hearing their words or sitting beside them. It means being completely immersed in the moment, both physically and emotionally. Presence fosters connection, deepens intimacy, and strengthens the bond between you and your partner. When you are present, you create a safe and supportive environment where your partner feels valued and understood. It starts with eliminating distractions. In today's world, distractions are everywhere: phones, emails, social media, and a constant barrage of tasks pulling your focus in multiple directions. These distractions can create emotional distance, even if you're physically together. To be present, you must actively resist these pulls on your attention. Put your phone on silent, step away from your computer, and make a conscious effort to prioritize your partner during your time together. This act of prioritization demonstrates that they are important to you, and it fosters a sense of security and respect. Listening is another crucial component of presence. True listening is not passive, it's an active, intentional process. It involves focusing not only on your partner's words, but also on their tone, body language, and underlying emotions. When you listen with your whole self, your partner feels heard and validated. This kind of deep listening also helps you understand their needs, desires, and concerns on a much deeper level, which strengthens emotional intimacy. Presence also involves responding with empathy and authenticity. It's not enough to merely nod or give surface-level responses. Your reaction should reflect that you genuinely care and are invested in what your partner is sharing. If they're excited, sharing their enthusiasm. If they're upset, offer comfort and understanding. Presence allows you to meet your partner where they are emotionally and to be a source of support. Physical presence is equally important. Simple, nonverbal actions like holding hands, maintaining eye contact, or giving a reassuring touch can convey your attention and affection in powerful ways. These small gestures reinforce your connection and remind your partner of your commitment to the relationship. Being physically present doesn't always require grand acts of love. It's often the small, consistent displays of care that matter most. The beauty of presence is that it fosters gratitude and mindfulness in your relationship. When you're fully engaged with your partner, you notice and appreciate the little things that make them unique, the way they laugh, the way they speak, and the subtle nuances of their personality. These moments of recognition create a deeper appreciation for your partner and the life you're building together. Presence requires intentionality and effort, but its rewards are immeasurable. It turns ordinary moments into meaningful ones, strengthens trust, and builds a foundation of love that can withstand challenges. By practicing presence, you show your partner that they are your priority, not just in words but in action. This commitment to being fully present is one of the greatest gifts you can offer, and it's the key to creating a relationship that lasts a lifetime. Being present in a relationship is not just a fleeting action, it's a conscious choice, a way of living that anchors your connection to your partner in the here and now. Presence is the foundation of intimacy, the bridge between two hearts, and the catalyst for deep and lasting love. It goes beyond the superficial and taps into the core of what it means to truly see, hear, and value another person. To cultivate presence, you must first understand its essence, attention. In a world filled with constant distractions, giving someone your undivided attention is a rare and precious gift. It's about setting aside the noise, putting down your phone, silencing notifications, and stepping away from the ever-spinning wheel of tasks and to-do lists. These actions may seem small, but they signal something profound to your partner. They matter more than anything else in that moment. Presence is not only about physical attention, it's about emotional engagement. It's listening not just with your ears, but with your heart. It's hearing the words your partner speaks and sensing the emotions behind them. When they share their joys, fears, or frustrations, being present means responding with empathy and understanding. It means validating their feelings, even if you don't fully agree, and making them feel safe to express themselves without judgment. This emotional engagement also builds trust, a vital component of any lasting relationship. When your partner knows they have your full attention, they feel secure in your commitment to them.